Hello, today I'm going to be making some French toast. Now I think I've made it before, a long time ago, I think, but I'm not sure. Certainly never made it with vanilla extract before or cinnamon, so I'll be following this recipe, and that will be for the end, the golden syrup. Got sugar, plain flour, some bread, some eggs, butter, salt, vanilla extract and cinnamon, so let's go. Oh yes, I forgot, I've got measuring spoons now. Chef Remy. So let's open them. And here we are. We have oh no. Okay, here we are. That thing around the that was binding it together was quite difficult to take apart, but we have a 1/8 of a teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, half a tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon. So looking forward to using those. Going to add in my eggs. Hopefully now shell. Oops, I think that was a bit of a... what's that? Is that a shell? Don't know. Not sure really what this is. I'd assume it's a shell. Actually, I don't think it is. Oh well. I don't have large eggs, but I have medium eggs. And I don't think this is a pie plate, but you know, it's wide enough to put the bread in. I only have small pieces of bread, so I think it will be alright. Oh no. Here's some. Alright. Might as well use this whisk since I have it now. I'm not sure whether to use the fork specifically because it was smaller, if that's better, or... I mean, this has worked really well. 1/4 cup of milk going in. I just took a little bit of a sip since I put a bit too much in, but that's okay. And now I'm going to use the teaspoon for the first time. A proper teaspoon of sugar going in. That was a great experience for sure. I need 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, so I'm going to unscrew this so I can get the spoon in there. Let me take the top off. Wow, cinnamon really does taste good, doesn't it? Here we are. Well, that's overloaded a bit. Yeah. I accidentally got a little bit on the table. That seems like a lot of cinnamon. Did I put too much? I don't see how. Surely not. No, I thought there would be more sugar in here, to be honest. I'd probably put more sugar in personally than just however much I put in. 1 teaspoon. Okay, I was very concerned I wouldn't be able to get the low salt tub open, but now it actually worked after I pressed down a bit. Not very neatly though, but salt does come out now, so we need 1/8 teaspoon. See if we get this right. Oh no, that's not very exact. Oh no, nothing's coming out now. Wow. Okay. No, it seems to be a bit stuck. Oh well. So a little bit of a sprinkle. Is that enough? How about that? Okay. There might have been too much. There might have been too little. You can tell. Here's my vanilla extract in this little bottle. Natural extract. Does that count as real? Madagascan vanilla, made from real vanilla pods. So I'm guessing. His looked a bit darker though in the video. I'm not sure why. Anyway, just a splash. Wow, this whole bottle looks a bit like a splash to me. Alright, let's open this. I've never used vanilla extract before. Is that enough? I'm just going to play it safe. Here we go. This doesn't look like a whole lot of mix, but I think it's meant to be for 6 slices. It's quite surprising. Whisking it. I'm sure I put too much cinnamon in this. This is the bread I'm using. Warburton's Toasty Thick Sliced Soft White Bread. They're quite little. They're not actually that thick, are they? I'm not sure. It just seems like regular to me, but they're a bit smaller than usual. Okay, medium to medium high. I'm just going to put on 4. And then we need some butter and some olive oil. So the only vegetable I have is this corn oil, so I'm going to use this. I'll just guess what a teaspoon is. And then a bit of butter in here. So a wad of, oh no, my butter's quite melted already. I think I left it out overnight. That wasn't great. Anyway. Okay, here we go. Going to add in the bread, that side, this side. It's going to be very cinnamony, and I think I'll be okay with that. And then put it on the pan for a couple of minutes. You see those bubbles coming through now. Not big ones yet, I don't think, but maybe it's time actually. I don't know. Let's take a peek. Doesn't look brown yet. You can smell that cinnamon there. Okay, maybe now we'll try a flip. I don't see any difference. But it was only beginning to get brown then. Oh no. Maybe it's not hot enough. Alright, seeing more bubbles surface there. Does that mean I should turn it over? No idea. Let's take a peek. Alright, I think maybe... Well, didn't really get to the center, did it? The brown. Maybe I need... Oh, that has a great smell. That cinnamon. I'm getting much more fragrance on this side for some reason. I'm going to be trying a few more slices too. See if I can get it brown all the way through. Alright, let's take a peek, shall we? Ah, you see this side? That's what it should have looked like. Let's just see if it transforms the other side for a second. But how long do I wait? I'm not sure if I want to make any more slices now, straight away for the video. I feel like just eating this straight up. Okay. Well, I should have let it wait, but you know, you can wait when you see something like that. Now I definitely want to make some more in a minute after this video, but look at that. I'm happy with my French toast. This one side, how it looks. At least I didn't burn it. Now in the video it does say to put in more butter and olive oil after every time. Oops, just left it on the pan. Hang on, I just realised I left the pan on, but you're supposed to put butter and olive and the vegetable oil on in between every slice, and I think that's the mistake I made with the pancakes last time, and that's why they got burnt. But shall we have a taste? You know, that tastes pretty good. I will give it a B or a C or a B or an A. I think that was pretty good. I didn't taste the cinnamon and vanilla as much as I could smell it whilst it was on the pan. And you can see on the inside it's not, it's still quite bready. It's not, it's not all hard like toast usually is. But in the video he says that he does like it bread like. So if I left it on a bit longer, I can make this a bit tougher, more crispier perhaps, if that's what you prefer. But this is pretty good also. So I've definitely never made a mixture for toast before, French toast. If I have made it before, it's with the mixture already made. Someone must have made it before me, so I'm happy that I know how to do it now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.